coming home from a late night event, waiting for the streetcar that seemed to take forever. And that was followed by a few days of really cold weather. I'd see pigeons all huddled up trying to keep warm. Dogs walking around in their little booties and sweaters. And then, of course, a few days later, the pretty snow started to look like this. And about 2 weeks later, we had an ice storm. I remember walking to the Eaton Center and just kind of sliding along. People had to be very careful walking down to the subway. It was very windy and the ice pellets were hitting my face.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
And then a couple of days later, it turned very mild. So all that snow turned to slush, and once again, I was walking up Yonge Street, and this is what it looked like. You had to make sure to stand well back from the curb to avoid getting sprayed by cars that were driving by. The very next day, it rained. Rainy and windy out today. And the street that just a couple of days ago looked like this, looked like this. But through it all, life goes on. There's construction. Birds are singing. And even people are singing. Because today is February 21st, and it's just another day closer to spring. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Take care. Bye.